Okay, so my back is still living room again. We've got the dining here, and I'm gonna just turn the garage doors right here. We've got a powder bath right here. Okay, so pedestal sink. It's a large size, and I think this is actually probably the laundry here. Yep, so here's the laundry. It's downstairs and it's in the powder bath. I will be honest, in the area out here, a laundry in the kitchen is not unusual, so it's actually kind of nice that it's tucked away in a much more normal area. You can see it's been updated. It does have the linoleum for the flooring, but the toilet is new. Okay, the faucet doesn't look like it's new, but the sink is, I mean, kind of like a timeless look. So, you know, very just like simple, neutral